Hello children, today we will learn image formation by concave mirror at the different positions of object. So first we will start with when the object is at infinity. So children, if the object is at infinity, so the rays are coming from infinity which are parallel to the principal axis, and initially we'll draw dotted line. Dotted line indicates that the image where the rays are coming from very far distance. Okay, so we'll apply the rule. First rule, when the ray of light coming parallel to the principal axis, after reflection it will passes through focus. So children, see here, object is at infinity, so rays are coming from infinity, but after reflection both the reflected ray will intersect at a point which is on focus. So children, here at the point of intersection image will form, and in this case, because these two rays are intersect in real situation, it is a real situation, not imaginary, so the nature of image will be real, and the nature of image is real, and real images are always inverted. Okay children, and the size of image, here you can see the size of image is point size. Okay. Now in the second situation, when the object is beyond C, suppose object is here which is beyond C, first we will use first rule. We will draw a ray which is parallel to the principal axis, and after reflection it will passes through focus. Okay children, here we will use any two rules. Okay, to locate the position of image, we will use any two rules. Okay, now I will take another rule. The ray of light which passes through center of curvature, it will retrace its path. So the point of intersection is real here, and this is the image. Okay, we will mark the size of image from the principal axis. This is just this point is just lies downward in the principal axis. So this is the position of image, and the size of image, you can see the size of object and size of image. Here the size of image is smaller than the size of the object, and again it is real because it is a real intersection of two rays, and real images are always inverted, and the size of image is smaller than the size of the object. Now in the third situation, when the object is at C, this case is very important. When the object is at C, so first again we'll use first rule. We'll draw a parallel line which is parallel to the principal axis, and after reflection it will passes through focus. Okay children, now again we'll use second rule. A ray of light which is passing through focus of the mirror, after reflection it will become parallel to the principal axis. So in this point both the rays will intersect each other, so here image will form, but the size of image is just similar to the size of the object, and this is again a real intersection of two rays. So the nature of image is real, and real image is always inverted. So in this case image is real and inverted, and size same as the object. Now in the fourth situation, when object is held between C and F, center of curvature and focus. So in this case also we will apply rules. First rule, we will take a parallel line which is parallel to the principal axis. After reflection it will passes through focus. Now again we will use second rule. Ray of light which is coming through focus, after reflection it will become parallel to the principal axis, and you can see here both the rays will intersect it here. So in this case the nature of image is also real, because this is a real intersection of these two rays, and this image is inverted also, but the size of image is greater than the size of the object. So the image is real, it is inverted and greater than the object. Okay children, so these are the 4 positions of object through which we will trace the image.